Hi there, welcome to Desk Director. Choosing the right tool for automation can be challenging. Today, we will delve into the pros and cons of using Microsoft's Power Automate platform compared to Bespoke APIs. Let's get started. Power Automate offers several advantages that make it an appealing choice for automation. Let's take a look at the benefits. Adaptive workflows and processes. Power Automate makes it easier to update or create automations, helping you stay flexible without having to rely heavily on IT. Fast implementation and low code. With its drag-and-drop interface, Power Automate allows you to create workflows quickly without extensive coding knowledge. Easy deployment and maintenance. It's simple to deploy and maintain compared to custom APIs, which often require ongoing developer support. Cost reduction. Using Microsoft Power Automate can lead to significant cost savings compared to building and investing in extensive development resources. It also reduces long-term maintenance costs, as Microsoft handles platform updates and scalability. Work more efficiently. Your team can get more done in less time. By automating repetitive tasks and streamlining processes, Power Automate frees up time for more important work and reduces errors. Make the most of existing systems. Legacy integration means Power Automate can connect with older systems that are still in use. This lets you automate workflows across both modern and legacy tools, bridging gaps without needing to replace existing infrastructure. Another advantage of using Power Automate is the built-in connectors you can access, as it integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft services, such as SharePoint. Automate tasks like list updates, document approvals, and notifications. Outlook. You can help reduce manual effort by triggering actions based on incoming emails or calendar updates. Teams. Streamline communication by automating messaging and notifications based on specific triggers. While Power Automate is powerful, it is not without its limitations. So let's take a look at a few. Performance overhead. Flows can be slower due to additional processing time, resource usage, and execution steps that come with each built-in action or connector used in a flow. Action limits. If your endpoint is busy, you may hit action caps restricting flow execution. This can be a bottleneck for high-volume processors. Limited data action. Some complex operations may require clunky workarounds or hacks in Power Automate that would be trivial in custom code. When deciding between Power Automate and a Bespoke API, consider your needs. Use Power Automate for quick deployment, low-code solutions, and seamless integration with Microsoft services. On the other hand, opt for a Bespoke API when performance, flexibility, and scalability are critical for your project. Both have their place in automation strategies. Choose what works best for your business, and start automating smarter today. That's it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to explore our other Desk Director tutorials.